how to upload your resume to LinkedIn. So if you want to upload your resume to LinkedIn, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your LinkedIn. So if you have your LinkedIn application, you can simply open up your LinkedIn application. But if you don't have the application, you can go to the Chrome browser and you can simply search for LinkedIn. Once you've searched, you can go for the sign in option and you need to sign in to LinkedIn. So once you've logged into your account, now you can go for the profile option, which is on your upper right, and then you can go for the settings and privacy option. So here under your settings, you can go to the left and then you can click on data and privacy. Click on data and privacy, and then here you will have an option of job seeking preferences. So under job seeking preferences, and here you will have job application settings. You need to click on the job application settings, and here you will have a small option which says upload resume. So if you want to upload your resume on your LinkedIn, so you need to simply click on upload resume, and then you can choose any option, or and then you can choose any folder, image, or something that you would like to upload as a resume. So simply choose that, and once you choose that particular thing, will be uploaded as your resume on your LinkedIn. So that's how you can upload your resume on your LinkedIn. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.